Today, we solve the problem of Windows 11 Start menu not working or missing full repair guide. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if your Start menu is not working or it is not opening in Windows 11 in this video, we are going to fix this. So let's start with our first step. Press Control key, Shift key, and Skip key together. So press all the three keys together and this will open Task Manager in your system. Now click on this search box and type Windows Explorer. You will see this result, Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and restart this service. Click on Restart. Now check the Start menu. But if you're still getting the same error, the same issue, move on to the next step. Open Task Manager again. And after that, on the left side, click on Details. Now click on this search icon again and type Start Menu Experience. And you will see this result, Start Menu Experience. Right-click on this service and then click on End Task. Click on End Process and this will automatically restart this service again, as you can see. Now check. If you are still getting the same issue, open Task Manager again. And after that, click on this option and run New Task. Now type CMD and then take this option. Then click on OK. So this will open Command Prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the first command will be sfc/scan. Now, type this command, then press center it. And this process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, the verification process has been started. So let the process complete first. After that, type the next command. Type this command carefully. Then press Enter. And this command will also take 10 to 15 minutes. After completing both the commands, cut this window and then restart your system. Move on to the next step. If you're still getting the same issue in the next step, we are going to update our operating system. So right-click on the desktop, then click on this option, Personalize. After that, on the left side, click on Windows Update. Now here you will see this option. Check for updates, click on it. So update your operating system. In the most cases, this will fix the issue. If you're still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Create a new login user account. I will show you how to create. Just right-click on the desktop, then click on Personalize after that. On the left side, click on Accounts. Now on the right side, click on Other User. Click on it. So this is the option we need. Add Other User, click on Add Account. So create a new user account. After creating the new account, just log in with it. And in the most cases, the startup menu will work. Normally, if you tried everything but you are still getting the same issue, the final thing you can do is reset your operating system. I will show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing any data, any file. So right-click on the desktop, then click on Personalize. After that, click on this search box and type Reset this PC, and you will see this option. Reset this PC, click on it. So this is option. We need Reset this PC. Click on Reset PC. So there are two options. First, keep my files, and the second option is remove everything. So you have to go for this option. Keep my files. Just click on it and reset your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content and online income tips.